It's the penultimate day to the Wills India Fashion Week and it's buzzing with a whole lot of activity. Grihatul gets you the lowdown.
Now I'm here with the Twitter face of the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week. The very gorgeous Neha Dhupia is with us and you are going to give us the fashion advice and fashion tip for the day.
Absolutely. You know, the problem is that there's so many beautiful shows that keep happening over here that the minute I'm about to share my advice, it's time to go and see the next show.
Which store do you want to get into?
Yeah, it's nice. We've been walking around, which is really wonderful. There's Alpana Neeraj as well. Very cool. Really graphic, really cool stuff, and it's very edgy, chic.
While we were interviewing Neha, I saw you tweeting. What did you write?
What did I write? I just walked out of one show and I spoke about how good, bad or ugly it is. You know, the thing is, everybody expected me to sort of say things about different shows and say how I liked them or I didn't like them. Now, I think I'm a clothes horse. And there are days that I would like something more organic and then I would like something more dressy. So I kind of went between different kinds of feelings when I was watching the show. But overall, everybody was fabulous.
It's the penultimate day at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week and Reena Dhaka goes back to the subtle 90s. While we have Jingnu Moria who's reminiscing about his modeling days and Shazan Padamsi while she is the aboriginal on the ramp.
I've always loved Reena's challenge and the way she presents the shows and does her clothes. I've always loved it, right from when I was a model.
I've had very good fortune and I'm very good looking women wear my clothes on the runway as well as off the runway. And it's out of choice or their level of confidence. And I always said that I seem to be designing for women who think. I feel like a geisha. I feel like Paris and Shalini have done such a great job with it because honestly, everybody always sees me in these light colors and very princessy kind of silhouettes. So this is really different and fashion is all about taking risks.
We've used very crude elements and tried to string them together to give the native feel.